In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off suggestions in Google Docs. Sometimes you may have accidentally enabled suggestion mode without realizing it, causing all your typing and edits to appear as suggestions rather than immediate changes in your document. But don't worry, I'm here to help you switch it back to normal so you can get back to efficient editing without any hassle. Now let's take a closer look at what's actually happening when you're in suggesting mode. As you can see here, anytime I type or make changes, it doesn't directly alter the text. Instead, my document creates these little comments or suggestions on the side. This can be especially confusing if you're not intending to track changes or collaborate with others at the moment. So if you're working alone or prefer to make direct edits, you'll likely want to switch this feature off. To do that, let's focus on the top right corner of your Google Docs window. Right up there, you'll notice a drop-down menu where it currently says Suggesting. This is the key to getting back to your normal editing workflow. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you do, you'll be presented with a few options. For now, we're interested in selecting Editing. Simply click on Editing and you'll notice the interface begins to adjust. Give it a moment to update. Once the change has taken place, you'll find yourself back in the familiar editing mode. Now you can type and revise your document without those extra suggestion annotations appearing. This mode is perfect for when you're ready to finalize your text or when you're working independently and don't require the tracking of changes. And that's basically it. Now your Google Doc is set to edit directly the way you want. It's a simple switch, but it can really reduce confusion and streamline your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more how-to guides and tech tips. See you in the next video.